Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is our reading for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi po ito mag-resonate sa lahat. Of course, hindi naman natin makukuha lahat ng energy ng Earth sign sa mundo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpunta sa aking TikTok, Unicorn Princess Shop or Unicorn Princess Tarot. Pwede mo akong i-follow dyan. And kung mag-avail ka ng ating mga bracelets na ito, mga katulad niyan, yung mga crystals bracelets, meron niyang kasamang free palm reading mula sa akin. I-check mo na lang doon. Okay, so this is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's start your reading. One last shuffle. Kung nararamdaman mo, nakukuha mo yung energy na parang hinihila ka ng video nito, might be this reading is for you. Okay, for the sign of Earth sign, please. Okay. Two of Wands is here. That's the King of Cups and the Death card. Okay. So, bottom of the deck is the Magician. Okay. So, for what I can see here, ang dami mong plano. You do have your Two of Wands. You have yung kasalukuyan, no? While watching this, you have a lot of plans. You have a lot of plans. You do have the Magician energy, the Chariot. This is maybe a plano na mabilisan or mga kailangan gawan agad ng aksyon. With the Magician, I feel like ginagawa mo to because you're making changes sa sarili mo. For what I can see here, pwedeng may kinalaman nito sa usaping pera. But this is actually a happy kind of or a positive movement para sa'yo. So, may mga mabibilis ang action dito pero nagbibigay ito ng kasayahan, kaligayahan, at excitement sa'yo. For what I can see here with the King of Cups, you are a very loving person. And pwedeng yun din ang pagkakatingin sa'yo ng ibang tao eh. Kasi yun naman talaga din ang pinapakita mo. Like, hindi ka nila pwedeng basta ba apak-apakan or kayan-kayanin or sabihin na natin hindi bumababa ang tingin nila sa'yo because of how you deliver yourself. Kahit ikaw kasi naipapakita mo sa kanila kung ano ang halaga mo. So, I feel like hindi ka basta-basta mawawala sa pwesto eh. Or sa kung ano man. Because these people around you sees you as the King of Cups. That is how you want other people to see you, na pinaparamdam or pinapakita mo sa kanila na ikaw ay maunawain, mapagmahal, etc. And yun din naman talaga ang nakikita nila sa'yo. With the Death card, this is Scorpio energy. I'm feeling a lot of ending na nangyayari sa'yo. And pwedeng itong mga ending na ito, still, kahit nag-end siya, you're still standing. You know, yung parang, nako, maybe you feel like it's the end of the world or pwede may mga bagay na nakapagpalungkot, nakapagpasakit sa iyo nung nitong mga nakaraan. Pero it doesn't matter as long na ang buhay ay tuloy-tuloy lang. Sige lang. Ikaw ito na parang tuloy-tuloy ka na lang din sa pag-grow, tuloy-tuloy ka na lang rin sa pag-agos ng buhay mo. And kung ano man yung nag-end na ito, maybe this is a total ending for you, pero I can see the Hierophant. I don't know if you're dealing with the Taurus. So, and nakikita ko rin ang energy ng Sagittarius dito. Six of Cups is also here. The King of Swords. Okay, nagpapakita sa akin. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I don't know if you're dealing with those sign. And maybe an Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And maybe someone na malayo sa'yo. This is the person na nakikita natin. I'm feeling like marami kang natutunan dito sa connection. or maybe sa person na ito, na maybe may kinalaman yun sa love, maybe may kinalaman sa money, etc. But kung ano man ito, nakikita natin na talagang ginising ka nito ng husto. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung nag-work ka ba sa airport or may pag-alis kang gagawin in the not in the near future, but plano pa lang. Yeah, pwedeng in the near future na plano mo pa lang ngayon. And or maybe kasalukuyan ka nanonood habang nasa airport ka. Could be a reading. Anyway, messages for earth sign, please. Kukunin natin yung energy ng person mo. This is pagdating sa love. Ace of Wands is here. Oh, the Ace of Wands is here. Okay, Ace of Wands, Knight of Swords, and the this is the Seven of Pentacles. The Emperor is here, and the Four of Wands. Okay, so yung person na ito is currently nagfo-focus sa kanyang stability. Like, ito yung pinaka-priority niya kasi kakulangan niya talaga ngayon ay ang pera. I feel like may mga gastusin na talagang malakihan para sa person na ito nitong mga nakaraan. And I feel like kaya ang focus ng person na ito is ang kanyang career or ang kanyang trabaho. The Ace of Wands, I feel like this could be a new person. Yeah. I want to know ano ba meron sa connection nito. For earth sign, please. Past life relationship. Oh, could be new, could be someone in the past. But with a freer self, I'm feeling like tinatry mo i-control ngayon ang sarili mo, ang emotions mo. You're already freeing or pinalalaya mo na tong person na to, kung ano man yung mga decision niya sa buhay niya or whatever. And yeah, kung ano man decision niya sa buhay niya, hinahayaan mo na lang siya. It's like you're focusing on yourself. Pero in the past, pwedeng nandun yung paghahangad. Nandun yung pagkagusto sa person na ito. Spirit guides, angel guides for earth sign, please. For earth sign, please. Ten of Wands is here. Queen of Wands. And you do have here the Ace of Pentacles. King of Wands. The Eight of Pentacles. And the Seven of Swords. Pareho kayo nag-iiwasan sa totoo lang. I don't know. This could be a soulmate energy with the King and Queen of Wands na nandito. Pwedeng soulmate connection ito, pero pareho kayo nag-iiwasan because maybe may mga bagong opportunities or bagong pinagkakaabalahan ka na may kinalaman sa pera or maybe business. You do have the Queen of Wands, that is a businessman or businesswoman energy, or maybe an advisor. Could be an advisor. Financial advisor. Kasi the Queen of Wands is someone na magaling mag-advise regarding pera. And this could be you. And pwedeng may mga bago kang pinagkakabalahan regarding dito. The Ten of Wands, I feel like unti-unti mo na naayos kung ano may mga responsibilidad mo, obligasyon mo. And I can see you being active. And maganda to. Nakikita natin na unti-unti mo na na-organize ang sarili mo. And focus mo yung sarili mo sa totoo lang. And then yung person na to is the same. Focusing sa kanyang career, focusing sa kanyang buhay. May pag-iwas din na ginagawa itong person na ito sa'yo. But unlike you, maybe umiiwas or ini-end mo yung connection dito sa person nito, so talagang parang wala kang pakialam. Pero yung person nito, may pakialam pa ako nararamdaman sa kanya. May pakialam pa siya sa'yo. This person keeps on looking at you, gusto niyang malaman kung ano nangyayari sa'yo, kamusta ka na ba, etc. But this person is really attracted to you. Really attracted to you. You do have your chemistry. For some of you, this is a twin flame connection. This is with the chemistry dito. Talagang may something na nangyayari sa inyo nitong taong to. Like, maybe may chemistry. Maybe nung time na nagkita kayo, this is a past person. If this is a past person, nung time na nagkita kayo, may something, may ang tawag doon? May kuryente. Pwedeng ganun. And also, there's a magnetic attraction sa inyong dalawa. But maybe hindi ito yung focus mo ngayon. So, that's why hindi mo yun masyadong napapansin or pinapansin. I feel like you're focusing on family. Family and career, yun yung nakararamdaman ko sa'yo. What will happen in the near future for you, Earth sign? In the near future for you, Earth sign. Spirit guides, angel guides. You do have here the Knight of Pentacles for you, Earth sign, in the near future. You do have here the Judgment. Okay. Knight of Pentacles, Judgment, 8 of Wands, and the Ace of Cups. 2 of Pentacles is here in the near future. 6 of Swords. Knight of Cups. Clarify the 6 of Swords for Earth sign, please. The Emperor. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Pentacles. Mutual energy in the near future. You do have your trust. Bottom of the deck is Flirt. And meron tayo ditong express your love. Okay. For what I can see here, I can see new offers sa'yo in the near future. I can see new love. So, pag sinabi natin new love, hindi lang naman yun basta relationship. Pwedeng friends ito. I can see new friends, new people, or new opportunities, or situation, career. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa career na pwedeng mamahalin mo or pahahalagahan mo. I can see na ito yung magbibigay ng victory sa'yo. Whether they are friends or people na dadating sa buhay mo, nakakita tayo na magtatagumpay ka dahil dito sa mga taong to. If this is a career na paparating sa'yo, may nakita tayo may kinalaman sa pera. An offer or a career na dadating sa'yo, nakikita mo yung halaga nito, and I can see you of being successful in the near future sa tulong nitong bagay na ito. And with the Judgment, you are actually ang daming nai-inspire sa'yo in the near future. Like, they see you as an inspiration. They see you as someone na kahanga-hanga. Gusto kong gayahin. Ganong kind of energy. You have a lot of offers na kayang maibigay sa ibang tao in the near future. Napakaswerte ng mga taong tatanggap nito. But of course, wag mong pansinin yung hindi papansin sa mga offers mo. Like, you don't need them. You don't, like, go ahead. Diba? Go ahead. Magtiwala ka lang sa sitwasyon mo at sa mga bagay na dadating sa'yo. Sa sitwasyon mo kasi napakaganda na sinasabi sa'yo dito. You don't need to please everyone. Kumbaga pwedeng may mga tao na offeran mo na something, hindi i-accept yung mga offer na ito, but you don't need to care. Okay? Basta sa kanila, sila yung nawalan. Sa mga susunod na linggo, I can see offers na ibinibigay mo sa iba, but yun nga. With the 6 of Swords, I can see you, this is your person. In the future, moving on from something. Like, I can see a situation wherein with the Emperor, pwedeng nangyari sa buhay niya, pero magmumukhang parang wala siyang pakialam dito, but your person is moving on. I'm feeling like May offer ako nakikita mula dito sa taong to in the near future eh. Papunta sa'yo. Pero pwedeng hindi mo pa agad makitaan ng value or hindi masyadong big deal para sa'yo kung naman yung offer na yun. But anyway, I can see an offer coming from this person. Tell me about the offer. Excuse me. Okay, may offer tong taong to sa'yo. And yeah, this could be in the not in the near future. Pwedeng far future. Possible, ilang months pa ang bibilangin. So, hindi agad-agad. Yeah, this is a big offer that could change your life completely with the Wheel of Fortune. May offer na makakapagpabago na. Maybe this is an offer na pwedeng hinahangad mo in the past and then in the near future lalabas or dadating itong offer na ito. Yeah, I feel like mula sa kalungkutan, itong person na ito ay magbibigay ng kasayahan sa'yo once na marinig mo yung offer niya patungkol sa'yo. And tiyak na mababago ang buhay mo mula sa pagbigay niya ng offer na ito. Pag nag-start na magbigay ng offer, itong taon to tuloy na to. Okay, so thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.